Hello friends, in this video we will learn about hobbies. Hobbies are activities pursued for pleasure and relaxation. They provide an outlet for creativity and self-expression. Engaging in hobbies reduces stress and promotes mental well-being. Hobbies offer a break from routine and contribute to work-life balance. Pursuing hobbies helps discover and develop new skills and interests. Hobbies provide a sense of accomplishment and boost self-esteem. They encourage social interaction and the formation of friendships. Hobbies can turn into lifelong passions and even potential careers. Balancing academic and hobby pursuits is essential for a well-rounded education. Exploring various hobbies allows individuals to find activities that bring them joy and fulfillment. Thank you.